Welcome to the IT Academy, your place to learn essential tech skills fast and easy. In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust row height and column width in Excel like a pro. To adjust the width of a single column, you just have to move your mouse pointer to the right edge of the column. So you can see here, I want to adjust column B. So I point my mouse to the right, to the edge. I click on it, point my mouse here, click, and then I drag to increase the width, or I drag to reduce the width. But if I want a more precise result, I would simply right click on the column header and then select column width. Then I type the precise value that I want. At the moment, it is 11.14. Let's make it 15. Okay, let's erase the first one. 15. You see that it has increased. Okay, so we have used the two methods. First one is to drag, and the second one is to right click and type in the precise value. What if you want to adjust the width of multiple columns, more than one column? Let's use the first method and see. I want to adjust columns C to F. So I highlight or select the entire columns, and then I pick one of them. Let's say we pick C, and then we increase it. See it? All of them are now the same width, same size. Let me do it again. I highlight all the columns that I want to adjust, and I pick one of them. Then I adjust it to the desired width, which will apply to all the other columns. That is that. And then also, let me undo and go back. We can also use the other method. I highlight the entire columns that I want to adjust, then right click on any one of them. Then I select column width. Let's make it 30 and press enter. You see that they are all equal. That is that. So that is how we adjust the row, the column width. What if you want to adjust a row height? Let's go back and see. What we did was with the columns. What about the rows? We can adjust the height of the rows. The first method would be to increase the row height manually. I want to increase the height of row 4. So I point to the edge and I drag. You see it? I can also increase another one just like this. Let me go back. So if you also want to be more precise, you can highlight the rows that you want. Let's say these ones, you can see it, and then right click on any one of them and row height. At the moment it's 15. Let's make it 30. You see, they are all the same heights. Okay. Now for a bonus tip, let's say if you want to adjust the row height or column width of every cell in your spreadsheet, this is how you have to do it. You click at the top here and everything is selected. So when you go up here and right click and select column width and you make it 25, every column in the spreadsheet will be the same width. And if you also go to the rows, you right click and row height and you make it let's say 15. They'll all be the same. Let's make it a little bit bigger so we see the difference. Row height, and we'll make it 40. Every cell or every row in the spreadsheet will be the same. That is how to adjust row height and column width in Excel quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the IT Academy, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip. Like this video, share with a friend, and subscribe for more.